12 weeks has been a journey between you and I, and we did a lot of work to address the left side, the issue that you had it was started as it was an accident, right? You had an injury with the knee.
Yes, a skiing injury, an ACL rip. Yes, on both knees actually.
Oh, on both knees. Okay.
Yes.
But the right side was recovering much faster.
Yeah, because it was ripping off the bone, so they could put it back.
Oh, okay.
On the bone, but in the left side, I don't have any ACL left.
I see. So that side took longer.
Yeah.
Yeah. So before you started working with me, what have you tried?
A lot of things. I tried this physiotherapist, like sitting in squats for half an hour per day, doing all kind of lifts, deadlifts, goblet squats, everything, and also this Ido Portal things where moving and a lot of push or force things, like sitting on your knees for half an hour a day and so on. And of course you get a little bit bendier, but it doesn't heal. It doesn't make any sense. I also did acupuncture. I tried this ACL. No, it's called this, where you took blood from your arm, put it in your knees again. PPT.
PRP.
Treatment, yeah. PRP.
Yeah.
Treatment didn't make any difference.
Okay.
No, it was just because they pumped out a lot of water in my leg, so that eased the leg up a bit.
Okay.
But that was the only thing I noticed. So now it's back again or it was back after the treatment.
After the treatment. Okay. Yes. So at what week did you start to see changes in the body?
In which week?
Which week? It was week 1 you started. Wow.
Yeah. I did your 3 exercises 1 or 2 weeks before I contacted you. And that gave me a hint of, this is like, whoa, what is this? And then I contacted you, because then I saw this 12-week program.
Gotcha.
So that was a start. So maybe I did it for 2 weeks before we had our first session.
I see. And which week did you notice that your glutes connection was increasing a lot?
I would say 3, 4, somewhere
4.
there. But quite quickly when I was walking, and especially if I walk up a hill, I could feel a different way of walking, a different source of power, which I don't know, never when I was a child probably, but in my adult never felt. And that is like you have an engine in the back. Like driving you up.
Gotcha.
And you notice it when you walk, and you notice it especially when you walk up a hill or something.
Yeah.
So it was quite, it didn't take long.
It was 4 weeks. 4 weeks you'll notice your glutes engage. Of course, we also after that we did the movement drills. And which week was the best week? Was it last week? The week before was the best.
Week 10. Week
10 you feel the best.
Yeah. Then I had a little bit of a fatigue issue, but yeah.
Great. Would you recommend this training to other people who have knee injuries?
Yes, and everyone that want to perform better or whatever. It's you can't compare it with anything.
Thank you.
If you do I don't know, football or skiing or handstand or gymnastics or whatever you do, it changes the game.
You can now feel, even when you move your hands, you can feel it comes from the glutes.
Yeah, and you get so much more connected. And as I said before, I even breathe better because the part of the body here is better positioned because you have power to lift it up in a better way, so you can breathe easier. And that was like week 2 or 3 when I woke up in my bed and felt like I was so light.
That's good.
Yes. So yes, I would recommend it to anyone who wants. And if you struggle a lot with PTs and everything like that and doesn't get anywhere, yeah, this is the way.
Well, I'm very happy that I got good results for the 12 weeks, and I'm going to give you a template that we can follow after your rest for the whole week.